Hello viewers, welcome to another tutorial by Project Maker. In this video, I will be teaching you how you can send multiple emails to anyone in only 15 lines of code. I have already created a video on how you can send multiple messages on any social media platform to anyone. If you want to send unlimited messages to anyone on any social media platform, you can watch that video. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and click on bell icon to watch my video first. I have already created a lot of Python projects for beginners, as you can see on the screen. So without wasting any time, let's start with this tutorial. So now let's move to our destination folder. So as you can see, this is our destination folder. There is only one file titled as email bombing. So I will just open this file. So as you can see, the main code is of only 18 lines. So before starting, I would like to inform that I have already created a video on how to send email using only 5 lines of code in Python. In that video, I have explained how you can send a basic email to anyone using only fewer lines of Python. If you have watched that video, you must be noticed that the code of basic email sending program and this is almost same. Only I have added the for loop here, so to send email multiple times. So without wasting any time, let's start with this code. So as you can see on the first line, I have imported smtplib package which is used to send emails. You can install this package by typing pip install secure smtplib in your command prompt. And after that, I have created a 4 to 5 variables, as you can see, such as Gmail ID, Gmail password. 2 means the receiver email address, subject of email and message. This variable will store the required values to send an email. Then after that, I have created a send email function which will send email when this function is called. In send email function, I have written the main source code of program. I have created a variable s, and in that variable I have used smtp method of smtplib package, this which will help us to send email through this program. Then after that, in next line, I have just started session using start TLS method. Then after that, I have used try and accept block. So in this try block, I have used login method of smtplib package which is used to login into our Gmail account, and I have passed arguments as Gmail ID and password. And after that, I have used send email function which sends email, and it has few arguments such as the name of sender, the name of receiver, and after that the subject and message. I have used F string to write subject and message, as you can see. If error occurs in these 2 lines, the except block would get activated and it would print the error. And after the email has sent successfully, the session will be quitted using this quit method, as you can see. So let's move to next line. As you can see, I have used for loop in this next line, and I have written pass argument as 5. After running this program, the email will be sent 5 times. So you can change this number according to your wish. In that for loop, I simply call the send email method, as you can see. So this send email method will be called 5 times, and the email will be sent 5 times to the particular receiver. And after sending email, it will simply print email successfully sent for the number of times, as you can see. So before running the program, I would like to know that if you want to send email programmatically, you have to make some changes on your email account. To send email programmatically, you have to first open your email, go to your account, search for security. If your 2-step verification is on, make it off. After that, just refresh your screen and scroll down. There you will find low secure apps. Turn on this low secure apps. This will help to send email programmatically. So these are the basic changes that you should make before sending email programmatically. So now it's time to run this program. So before running the program, I will just enter my personal credentials. I have written my personal credentials in the program. So now let's run this program to check whether this program works or not. I will just click on the run button. So let's wait for some time. So email successfully sent for 1 time, as you can see. Email successfully sent for 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and sent 5 times. So our email is successfully sent for 5 times. So before moving to Gmail, let's check the subject and message that we have written in the program, so that we will get confirmation that the email is sent for 5 times. So the subject was test email and the message was, this is test email to check email bombing program. So let's move to the Gmail to check whether the same subject and message appear to our mail or not. So as you can see, I have opened Gmail on my screen. So our subject was test email and the message was, this is test email to check email bombing program. So it has appeared for 5 times, and you can also verify the time, as I have sent the email just, so the time was 0 minutes ago. So let's move to our program. Congratulations, we have performed email bombing or sent multiple emails to anyone using only 18 lines of code in Python. You can try this program with your friends to show off your programming skills to them. Here comes the end of this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends and family members. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more such amazing tricks and tips. Thanks for watching this video.